Hi, we just received our new SAKI Air Fryer, and came with some pretty nice attachments, not just a basket. So it's got a rotisserie basket, and I'm going to do something special with that. It came with 3 dehydrating or roasting trays, so make beef jerky or you can put pork chops, whatever you want on it. It also came with a skewer rotisserie, which is going to be really nice, and a rotisserie setup for doing like a chicken, and we'll do one of those later today. And since we're getting around, it's getting to be NFL playoff weekend, we decided we'd make some roasted green chilies for a nice appetizer. Normally we do it outside on a gas grill, but as you look outside, it's a little snowy today. So we're actually to do this, we're gonna try this out and see how this works. And I've heard good reviews that roasting chilies on these units come out very, very nice. I have some poblanos and some Anaheims and one jalapeno. And we're gonna stick this in here and give it a 10-minute ride at 375 and see how it does. And we're off to the races.